Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to freeze all Bluevine accounts in case of an emergency. If your debit card is lost, your login is compromised, or you suspect fraud, freezing your Bluevine account immediately can stop further damage. Here's how to do it. First step is to log into your Bluevine app or just access your accounts from the website. Then go to Settings or Security from the main menu. And you want to look for the option to freeze account or freeze debit card. Just tap freeze to lock all transactions instantly. This action prevents purchases, withdrawals, and transfers. If you cannot log in, call Bluevine's customer support directly, and their team can place a full freeze on your account while you regain control. After freezing, you want to monitor your email for updates from Bluevine regarding any suspicious activity. Once the situation is resolved, you can return to the same menu and select unfreeze to restore any access back to normal. This feature gives you immediate protection when every second counts, and helps you to quickly respond to unexpected, suspicious transactions or activities on your account. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.